working on north elevation. So here's what we like to do. Right now we have a blank facade. First you would like to sketch, analyze the elevation. Essentially what you have over here is a front entrance door. Front entrance door is happening over here. It's a two-story facade space over here. Then your stairs take you to the second floor. There's a landing here. By the landing you're replacing a window on the second floor. There is another window on the second floor over here which frames the gallery area. Right below that window is another punch window by the bedroom on the lower level. So we're ready. What we have is right now is a blank wall. We like to insert some wall with glass. So what we do is we click on architecture, go on to wall, and we say nothing happens. So we have to do this in the floor plan. This is our north wall. We go wall, architectural. You go down the menu. All the way at the bottom you choose exterior glazing. Essentially we're putting a glass over here. So we would like it to start right here and about 6 feet. We can change it later on and it will say, look, it can't do it right now. Why cannot I do it is because you need to go and edit that to go automatically embedded. Say OK, then it does it. Without that automatic embed, there's nothing that's going to happen. So you then are going to continue with that wall and you would like to place another opening here, but let's do it again somewhere within the landing. There you go. And right there, 3 feet-ish. There we go. And then the next one is in the bedroom in that zone. So I'm going to go in this zone about that much. Now notice I'm not terribly worrying in the floor plan where it goes because I'm going to check it on the elevation. So I'm going to go on the north facade and quickly go like this to see what I've done. So it's very clear what I've actually done. So what I'm going to do is first recognize that my window is over here, but before I work on that, I'm going to work on this wall. So give yourself a series of annotated lines going from here down, and you would like to offset that because you want this distance to be at least 2 feet. So I'm going to offset it 2 feet. And then I want the door opening, including the frame, to be 3 feet 8. So I'll put 3 feet 8. Here it is. Oh, 6 foot 8 because I have double doors. All right, 6 foot 8. There it is. So what I like to do is actually change this one. So it goes here. That one goes right there. All right, next one. I like this one again. I'm going to copy this from that junction to here. And I would like that to be 3 feet 8. So I change it to 3 feet 8. From there to there. Quickly clean that up. Adjust it to there. Now I'm going to go over here. I like this side to be a little bit larger. So I'm going to copy this from that junction. Place it in this corner. And I'm going to offset it this time 2 feet 6 or 2 feet 10. So I'm going to offset it 2 feet 10. There we go. Maybe 2 feet 8. There we go. That's better. Alrighty. And then my window is going to be 3 feet 8 again, just like the other one, to have a sense of consistency. So I'm going to take this one, adjust it like this. Take that one, adjust it like that. Now I'm going to look at the roof, and I say, oops, the roof is happening in the middle of that door/window. I like to adjust it. So before I continue working on anything else, I'm going to work on that roof. Edit in place. So I'm going to edit the roof. I'm going to edit extrusion, and I like it to be happening somewhere over here. So I say, if I just take that line, which is the center line, from here to here was 2 feet. I want to give it another 10 inches for my gutter and downspouts. So I'm going to offset 2 feet 10, 2 feet 10 inches. There we go. I go over here, and now I'm going to simply move from here to here. So I literally moved that same roof over there. I no longer need this. I no longer need this. I check mark it. Alrighty. Let's make sure that I didn't move anything else. No, everything is fine and dandy. Alrighty. We're good to go. So we go back to that north elevation. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, first finish this up. Now we would like to take this facade, attach it to this new roof. It won't do it, not a big deal. So what we do is we take that facade, we edit its profile, we say okay. And what we like to do is simply go against this edge and against that edge. Clean it up. There we go. On the other side. There we go. Get rid of the last one. Here it is. Now we're ready to go. Alrighty. Now I'm going to, it says unjoin the element. We're happy. Okay. Now we're going to, each one of these, we're going to adjust them. Edit profile. We're going to go against this edge. Clean it up. Get rid of this one. Finish. Go to the next one. Edit profile. Choose this edge. Clean it up. And get rid of that line. And okay. Now this one, you can move it up a little bit more. Alrighty. And again, you want to edit the profile. So we would like to choose this edge. Clean it up. And get rid of that edge. Let's go at the bottom. At the floor line, this window ends. So offset this one, 6 foot 8 inches. 6 feet 8 inches for now. That's the top of the door. We would like to split this here and here. And so what we would like to do is clean this up as well. So here we go. We've cleaned that up. And we would like to move this one up as well so that it goes up to 3 feet. There we go. Remove the constraints. We're good to go. So that's it. It's all done. The windows are done and we're happy.